thing, when conflict arises, the first step is to seek out the real source of the conflict. So it could be any one of the 4 categories we've discussed here. Perspective, it could be that perspective taking, it could be the scare, the social domains, it could be job related, it could be preference related. So we're going to start by looking at job or task related conflict. And it's probably one of the most straightforward conflict situations to resolve. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's probably one of the most straightforward. There are numerous problem-solving models which can be used in these situations. One of the models that I particularly like is called the 5-column approach, which is a brain-friendly, strengths-based approach developed by Wayne McCashin in 2017. And although the approach looks linear, it's not actually intended to be. It might be beneficial to move backwards and forwards, revisiting the different stages to further extend the party's thinking. So the first stage, and possibly one of the hardest stages actually, is clarifying the issues and feelings around the conflict. So this is where we need to be asking those real good questions. How does the issue get in the way? What beliefs do the parties hold that may be getting in the way? What else does it affect, and how does it affect other things? Having clarified the situation, we then start to turn our focus more towards the future. And what will it be like when the conflict or issue is being resolved? What will the parties be doing differently? What will other people perhaps see and notice? The third area of exploration then is to look at the strengths and resources each party brings to the situation and how they can use those strengths to help resolve the issue. We then want to look at external resources. What help do we actually need from others? What additional resources do we need to kind of bring in from outside? And the last stage is to explore the possible outcomes and solutions, move towards agreeing an action plan of what each party will do to resolve the conflict and the work-related issue. So that's a straightforward problem solving, and it's not the only one that can use. Many, many different kind of problem solving models out there that we can actually use when it's very much a task or work related kind of conflict or a task related conflict.